Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is create a simple chatbot in Python, and we're also going to do it with a login and a password protection as well. So what we have to do is for this program, import password input here. So normally you won't have this on Python, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to install this program using pip, Python's installer. Okay, so what we do is we create a function here called login. We create a variable and assign that variable to a username. So this one, for example, is simply user123. Then we create a password variable and assign that to a password. Very simple, 123 ABC. So now we use another variable called user that we create, and we assign that to input, which will get the user input. And we print out a message to the user saying enter username. So the user will know to enter their username in here. And then we do another variable called pw, and we assign it to pwinput.pwimport. There, that's the program that we've imported. And then we type in prompt and assign that to enter password. And then we type in another word here that says mask, and we assign that to an asterisk like this. So when the user runs this program, they will be prompted to enter their password, and when they enter their password, this mask function here will cover their password using asterisks, so you won't be able to see what they've typed in. Now we come down onto the conditional, the if conditional here. So we're going to evaluate something. So if the user is equal to username, so if the user has typed in their username and the PW password is equal to the password here, then we're going to print out username here and password are correct. Or else we're going to print either the user or password is wrong, and then we're going to type in login here, which will take us back to login. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create another function here called intro, and we'll be able to do let's have a look. Yeah, okay, so if this is correct, we jump down to this function here, intro. Okay, so we create this function called intro. We use the print command to do this, and the print command to tell the user what the program is, welcome to Chatbot. And then we get started on the variables. So we create a variable called start and assign it to import, and we tell the user what we want them to do. So start a chat, so they got the option of why or no, yes or no. So the user will then type in yes or no into there, and we use the conditional again called if. So we're going to do some evaluation here. So if start.lower, this will reduce it to lowercase. Anything that's written in there will be reduced to lowercase. So if it's equal to y, then we go to the chat function here. So created another function down here called chat. Or else, if that's not the case, we simply exit the program by telling the user bye, and we use the quit here to exit the program. Then we come down onto the chatbot, which is quite easy. It's a very basic chatbot, this is. So we create a function called chat, and then we're going to do a while loop. So while true, the user will enter in a message. So hello. If user is equal to hello, then the bot will print howdy partner. Else if the user is equal to how's it going, the bot will print that's just great. Else if you print in bye, the bot will tell you see you soon, bye, and then it will break the program. Or else if you type in something else, the bot will print I don't understand. So let's just run through this. Let's have a quick look at it. So let me just make it a little bit bigger for you. Okay, enter username. So let's have a look. What was the username? So the username was user123. user 123, hit enter. Okay, enter the password. So the password was 123 ABC 123 ABC, and you can see it's being masked by asterisks here. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, welcome to the chat box. Start the chat bot. So, oh dear, what's that? Yes. So, okay, you. So, what we do here, let's have a look. You. So, if you use it, I'm going to say, hello. Bot says, howdy, partner. And I'm just going to type in, how's it going? Just great. And you, I'm just going to type in, let's have a look, bye. I'm going to type in bye. Okay, see you again. And that's it. So that was a very simple example of a chatbot in Python. If you got this far, thank you very much for coming along with me. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.